batch size. So out of 140, only 30 students are coming. This is what I told. Plan it systematically. Coming to the lab is advantage actually. You can come here, you see your friends, you can also work, you can talk. You know anything.
That's our question. If they ask me like various research in 2.0 or something like that, what is the best way to answer that?
Anybody would like to answer that question? Where do you see yourself after 5 years? Most of the students will answer it, sir, I would like to see myself in a good position. Or I would like to see myself as a manager. That's what they will tell. Is it a best answer? No. See, from your answer, I will know how disciplined are you, or what is your clarity of mind. So definitely, maybe after 5 years, I would definitely work on this kind of projects more related to automotives in the combination of maybe IoT or I would like to work on this kind of controllers maybe in the next 5 years, because I feel like I really like these kind of features in a particular microcontroller, what is happening. So I'm very specific in my answer. Specific means I know what I'm doing, and definitely I would like to see myself working on that particular thing. That's called clarity of what you're doing. So you are saying maybe good position, manager means the general answer. Most of the people will say that only. 90% of the students, same answer. Only 10% of the people vary, and 10% of the people are liked by the company. Because you are specific. Got it? Like example, if you are asking me that question, in the next 5 years, sir, I would like to build an online platform to most of the students where they can address different things. A student can address a grammar, a student can address the vocabulary, student can work on for the competitive exams, student can work on the interview questions, students have a lot of information, something related to the GD. So as a teacher, as a faculty, I would like to build a piece of software, maybe especially addressing different set of students, working on different things. So it can address a grammar, it can address vocabulary, it can address GDs, it can address the different varieties of questions, how to answer them. So this is called specific answer. Now if I say where do you want to see yourself after, sir, a good teacher, I think I want to become a really good teacher. General answer. Got it? So you can also be specific of what you want to work on. I think to answer that question, you should have a lot of knowledge. You should have a lot of knowledge. It's not an easy question to answer. Most of the students think in the class it's an easy question. No. It's a very tough question. Until you know about what you are doing and where you see yourself, what opportunities you have, you can never address that question. Your answer is automatically general. So you have to explore on many things. Then you can address that question. So what's the best answer? You have to design your answer. I cannot say what is the best answer because I am not technical guy. So my answer is more related to what I am doing. Your answer will be more related to what you want to do. So you have to address that answer. Okay? Did you give everybody? Yeah, anything else? So work for your exam. All over aptitude questions, questions on grammar. I think I have given 40 questions to you. 45 minutes time I gave. 40 questions, synonyms, antonyms, idioms, spotting errors, reading comprehension, sentence rearrangements, grammar, parts of speech, everything is included. So study well. But I think exam will be easy. Mostly 20 to 25 questions are easy only. 10 to 15 questions are difficult. It's designed like that. So anything else? Any session that you want? Shall we have a session on the seminars? But that is your session, I think. Again, don't let me come into the class, make you request. I have to request the students, please come, please come. So that is your participation, that is your interest. And finally, don't say that we did not have the opportunity. I think I was requesting the students to come on. You are not willing to take the opportunity. Some students gave good, but rest of the students, if everybody can give, it's good. I think arm will be started with you. So technically class, arm is very important. Yeah, mock interviews will be there. That's a separate thing. Mock interview is a separate one. You will have that one. Each and every student will have a mock interview. 15-20 minutes of time dedicated to you only. What happens in the mock interview? What happens in the mock interview? The same thing. Give your introduction, what is your strength, what is your weakness, why embedded system. But I am addressing that question to you specifically in a separate cabin. Here means it is general, I think, in front of students. So you want to answer in front of students or separately? Separately. Mock interview will be there. That's a separate schedule. But I think that will be after some time.
By you or
Mostly by me, sometimes by the other faculty. You want from the other faculty or by me? Anything is fine. If you want me to arrange with the other faculties also fine. Of course, you will have the mocks with the other faculty as well. You know that one? Your C interview will be taken by the other faculty. are writing nowadays, pace seems to be fast, lecture seems to be fast. Instead of putting the comments, I think you are talking about C programming, I think. So instead of putting on the paper, go to the faculty and tell the same thing. No? Madam, please try to reduce the pace. Or sir, please try to reduce the pace. They will reduce the pace. No? Some students wrote, I don't know. I do not see the leverage of who wrote it. But you are struggling means please don't keep that with you. Of course, it is communicated. If you are writing in the comments, it is communicated. But it is better that you directly do it. Especially technical stuff, important. You cannot miss that one. Anything else? I'll be sitting in cabin number 7. So anything related to grammar, anything related to resume, anything related to vocabulary, or any sort of question related to interviews, you can always meet. I'll be available here only generally. So my timings are generally 10 to 6 or 6:30. Sometimes I'll be there in the class. If not in the class, I'll be there in the cabin. Any sort of help related to the grammar, language, or interviews, you can always meet. Got it? So with your permission, shall I end the class here?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to study well, prepare well, practice well, get the jobs done. Thank you very much everyone.
Thank you.